All right, if there's anything that I love more than a good Diet Coke, it's a Black Friday deal. And if you saw in my last video, you know we were gonna be doing some major damage to the wallet, and we did just that. Now, this is a good video for somebody who's a tech creator or tech person, and somebody who games as well. So if you're anything like me into productivity, gaming, cool new tech, and some of the best products, then this video is for you, and this channel also might be for you. So make sure you guys subscribe to the channel and like the video. Let's get into the video. Let's see what's up. What did I get? I don't know. All right, like, I don't know what it is, but bro, I will buy myself a brand new OLED TV before I buy myself a pair of shoes. I don't know what's wrong with me, but I mean, we got the LG OLED C3. So let's unbox this, and this is the new monitor. We're gonna be using an OLED TV as a monitor. Let's go. So the way I game, it's pretty casual, man, you know? I'm not running Apex at 240 hertz with a beast computer. I'm not, and that's my reality. I am, though, using a MacBook Pro in my consoles, whether it's a PlayStation 5 or it's an Xbox Series S or an Xbox Series X. For me, that's perfect. Productivity on OLED is a little strange, it's a little weird. There's a lot of negativity, a lot of cons behind it. We're gonna see how it fares. How do you take this out? It'd be kind of nice to have a second person to do this with. You don't need homies, all right? You need homies, man. You need homies. So one thing that a coworker of mine at Krispy Kreme a long time ago taught me was never cut towards yourself, right? So if you cut towards yourself whenever you open something, who knows, we're a little clumsy. You might just harm yourself. So always when you open anything, cut anything away from you. Now, some of you grown people might be saying to yourself, well, duh, of course, like, why would you not do that? Well, there's a lot of people out there with no common sense, and I'm not gonna lie, sometimes I am one of those people. Sometimes I don't have common sense. Sometimes in the heat of the moment, I don't think. Though it may be obvious, it's not obvious to all. Hold on, does it have that action smoothing shit on? Anytime you get a TV, get that true motion shit out of here, all right? Looks insane. Now, cinematic movement, what's that? Bro, this looks so good. I can't even begin to tell you guys how gorgeous it actually looks in person. It's unbelievable. All right, so obviously another reason why we got the TV in the first place is not just for productivity or watching TV, but also gaming, as I am a huge gamer. All right, so I hooked up the Xbox Series S. It's wall mounted. Yeah, I'm really excited to see what it's gonna look like. Let's run some games real quick. Why did I leave off right here? All right, let's talk first impressions now. This looks fantastic. It's a little too big here. Colors are so vibrant. Like, they really pop. I feel like editing on this panel is going to be so much fun, actually. And I think the real estate is perfect.
Now, I've had this TV for about 5 hours total while using it as a monitor. It's way too early to tell if this is something I like to keep. The size of the TV, I think, hits that sweet spot, and I would say for my needs, 42 inches is perfect, and it's as big as I would probably go for any monitors in the future. The colors are incredibly rich and vibrant right out of the box, and it's definitely something that will leave your jaw on the ground, especially if you've never experienced OLED. Now, OLED really is stunning, and it's so much different when you have have the gadget sitting at your setup instead of at the store. It's definitely easier to appreciate. I've gone through the settings for about an hour or so combined, and I don't think I've hit the mark just yet, so make sure you guys stay tuned for my full review, as I will dive down a little deeper into these settings. If there's anything you want me to feature or hit on for my next OLED video, drop it in the comments below, because I will test that for you guys. Though it is a TV, there are a few people out there using it as a monitor and growing day by day. Though a lot of my personal questions have not been answered by other creators just yet, in this OLED series, I will do my very best to cover all of those questions that I or you might have in terms of productivity in gaming as well. Now, subscribe to the channel, drop a like if you found this informative, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.